Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Simon here with another craft for you to do today. So we've been talking a lot about fractions and I have a fun craft for you to help practice your fractions. So all you need are the printouts I sent of the perfect pizza picture, the recipe and instructions, and the toppings pictures. So once you have those printed out, then you can get started. You also need scissors, some glue, and pencil crayons, markers, pastels, something to make it beautiful and colorful. And also a paper plate, if you have one. So the first thing you're going to do is write your name on the top. So it says Blank's Perfect Pizza. So I'm going to write Miss Simon's Perfect Pizza. And then you're gonna start coloring your pizza. So I have one, I'm gonna start, so I did the crust, and the instructions say, color the whole pizza with red, yellow, and brown for tomato sauce, cheese, and crust. So I did my crust, and now I'm gonna do some tomato sauce. So I'm just gonna put that at the edge because sometimes when you're ordering pizza, when you get pizza or you make it, you see the sauce before that you see the crust. Then I'm gonna use some yellow for cheese. So really take your time. You can make it shredded cheese, squiggly cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like. You can use orange if you want a little bit, if it's like mozzarella. Yellow if it's cheddar cheese. Take your time. Don't rush. So fill up that whole space. Mine's not completely filled, but you should fill up your whole space. And then the instructions and the recipe says color your toppings page. So I've given you a toppings page with mushrooms, pepperoni, peppers, and tomatoes on it. So you're gonna color all of those and make them beautiful. So then you can cut them out. So you're gonna use your scissors, be really careful, take your time, cut them out. So I've already cut mine out ahead of time. So then you move on to the next step. It says cover the 1/4 of the pizza with mushrooms. So if we look at our pizza, it's divided into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're just gonna put mushrooms on 1/4 of it. So I have my mushrooms here, and you're just gonna use a little bit of glue to stick down your mushrooms that you've colored so beautifully in 1/4 of the pizza. So if it's in 1/4 of the pizza, you should not be putting mushrooms all over because it does not say the whole pizza, just 1/4 of the pizza, okay? Then the instructions say cover 1/4 of the pizza with pepperoni. So I'm gonna put pepperoni. You get to pick which 4. So I'm just gonna put pepperoni here in this corner of the pizza. Good. And then it says cover the pizza with peppers, 1/4 of the pizza with peppers. So I have my peppers cut out. Remember, you do all the coloring and cutting before. So take your time. There, I got my green peppers down. Oops, this one fell off. Really stick them down. If you have a glue stick, I prefer glue sticks, but I only have liquid glue. So then it says cover 1/4 of the pizza with tomatoes. So am I gonna put tomatoes all over the pizza? No, it only says 1/4 of the pizza with tomatoes. So I'm just gonna stick those down like that. So now that I've covered my pizza with all of its toppings and I followed all the instructions, now I can either leave it like this, and you can leave it like this, you're gonna hang it up, show mom and dad your perfect pizza, or you can do this extra step if you have a paper plate. So I'm just gonna use a paper plate, write your name on the back, and I'm going to cut out my pizza because I want my pizza to look like it's on a plate. And then maybe if somebody looks at it, they'll think it's a real pizza. So I cut it out like this. I followed all the instructions. It's right, and I'm just gonna stick it down on my plate. So put some glue on it and stick it down like that, right in the middle. And now it looks like my real pizza is on a plate and ready to eat. So I hope you had fun. Make sure to clean up all your mess, put away your scissors, close your glue stick or your liquid glue if you have, and throw away all of your paper, leftover paper, in the recycling. So I hope you had fun with me, and I will see you the next time.